So all those people that stood out in the rain tonight to try and help make our Christmas a little better, thank you all very much. Welcome back to another one, guys. We're starting this one off just a little late. Now, something special. Christmas season is here. The good thing about this year, with all the crap that's going on with Rona in 2020, in past years, we've got our big thermos or our big cup of hot chocolate. We're standing uptown in our small town watching the tractors and things go by. Minus 20, freezing our bahooties off. This year's a little different. Now, the local car dealerships have got a drive-through where they set up all the floats as far as the eye can see. And you drive your personal vehicle through the floats. I'm going to be warm. I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to whine. If something good has come out of this Rona 2020, it's that. Anyway, we're going to take you along for that. There's no hunting, no fishing today. I am going to go scouting tomorrow for maybe a hunt tomorrow night, but today's about Christmas, so sit back, enjoy. Let's go have a good time. Oh, by the way, we're going to have a full house. Me, Jen, Ella, and we got to bring Diesel. All in this confined space. It's going to be a nightmare. Let's go have some fun. gotta put a window down now. We're gonna get it worked out.
This is the one that Santa was on, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, he's just
Takes a
full.
guy.
He's just full.
I think that was his right there. Oh yeah.
Okay, how many?
Just one.
Oh, here you go.
Thank you.
Hey, we got two giant. Okay, we're gonna do it.
There you go.
There you go. Oh, yeah. This is mine. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Cheers.
Well, that's going to do it for our Redneck Christmas Parade 2020 Rona style. Not a lot of floats out there tonight. I think it had a lot to do with the rain, because the rain started coming down, as you might not have been able to see on camera, but it was coming down. Nevertheless, it was a good time. Those folks out there didn't have to put that on, but they did, and thank you all very much. Again, that's the best way to have it. I'm sipping my coffee in my truck. They're the ones out in the cold. Doesn't get any better than that. Anyway, from our family to yours, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we're going to see you all in the next one. So all those people that stood out in the rain tonight to try and help make our Christmas a little better, thank you all very much.